Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is my weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio, gods are flying. What are the messages for Scorpio and what's going on? Scorpio. And another deck, Page of Pentacles and the Strength. I think communication is coming, some important text is coming. I think communication is the key here right now, Scorpio. And children's also involved in this connection. Maybe for some your person is immature and you stand by your power. You are taking your control back. Yes, you are taking your control back. So let's see your reading recent past. Scorpio, 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups and 2 of Swords. Maybe in recent past you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision but you are indecisive to make that decision. For some, I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. And 3 of Cups, for some third party situation also involved in this connection. That's why you are at some crossroads. You don't know because to leave this person or to continue with that person because you are so confused for some. Then present 5 of Wands, 4 of Wands and Knight of Cups. There was a lot of drama going between you and your person. And 4 of Wands, for some you both could be twin flames. Journey. I think you want this happiness with this person but it is not happening. There are a lot of issues coming, a lot of fightings are coming. And Knight of Cups, for some a new person is coming towards you. Yeah, for some it could be your person. If you are in separation, they are planning to come back. If you are not in separation, this person want to offer their cup of love to you, but they are in slow moving energy. And future, Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords and the World. Someone is rushing to communicate with you and there is some communication with clarity is coming. I think communication is the key and very crucial. Yes. Because Knight of Swords and Ace of Swords, some truth coming out. Someone wants to express their true feelings to you. It could be your person or it could be a new person depending upon your situation. And the world, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And for some cycles are ending between you and your person and some new cycles are going to be begin. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, 10 of Cups. So Scorpio, their current feelings towards you. Scorpio. Two of Cups with Emperor. I think the love is mutual. Definitely love is there. At the same time, there is no trust. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you, for some third party situation also involved. That's why you're not trusting this person. Maybe it's some truth coming out. Maybe for some you decided to cut off this person from your life. For some, maybe your person have options. You are not trusting them. But you still love them. And maybe your person may be connected, attracted to you physically more than emotional. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. I think someone is sneaky in this connection. Seven of Swords energy, miscommunication or false communication. King of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Yeah, this person may be toxic for you, and Knight of Wands. I think maybe this person is in and out of your life. That's why maybe you're fed up with this energy. This person is very abundant, financially very stable. They are obsessed with you, and right now they're not talking to you. They're healing themselves. Maybe they're scared for rejection, but they are very very attracted to you, Scorpio, and this person is obsessed over you. The Devil card is here. For some, maybe this person is toxic for you. They are playing games with you. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. Yes, Five of Pentacles. They are suffering in silence. Maybe in past they treated you as an option. Now they are realizing your worth. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Gemini, especially, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini or Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yes, definitely they want to express the true feelings to you. If you are in separation with this person, they want reunion. And King of Wands, they're planning to make action. And Four of Cups, they are missing you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they're feeling bored without you. Lot of obsession, trust issues I'm getting here. Scorpio, yes, again Seven of Swords. Definitely someone is sneaky and trust issues, against confusion. Maybe they are giving you false hope. Always they're coming back and saying something and doing other things. Definitely there are some trust issues. I think for some it was ending. Yeah, to be honest with you, it is ending between you and your person. Maybe they're coming back. Maybe they're obsessed with you. But I think still you are not trusting them. For some, it is ending. For some, yes, you want to store balance within yourself. Maybe for some, your person is very dominative, aggressive in nature. Scorpio. Ten of Cups with Nine of Wands. I think you're both wishing, but it is not happening right now, to be honest with you. Definitely someone is sneaky, trust issues, obsession. But for some, this is a separation between, this is a separation. And for some, it is ending between you and your person. Very, very few, maybe you will reconcile. But if your person really sneaky and there is third party involved, I think there is separation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. Third party, see. Trust issues, what I told. Messages. Long distance relationship. Yes, for some maybe you are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Past life connection. And lot of abundance is coming, finances and career. So the messages are third party involved, trust issues, long distance relationship, past life connection, lot of abundance is coming, finances and career. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. A win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. Expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse. So a win-win outcome is forecast. Definitely there is luck is on your side. Definitely a win-win outcome is your forecast. Whatever you are doing your work, definitely there is some positive outcome will come, and expect powerful changes, especially in your life and in your relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.